Good morning, guys. We just woke up 7 a.m., made some coffee, and we're about to get our day started. We're going to show you what it's like to live as digital nomads in Lima, Peru. So, first thing we do is we get on our technology like most other digital nomads. We get on our phones, get on our computers, we check up on our real estate portfolio back home in the US. And again, the cool thing as a digital nomad is you can do it all from your computer or your phone. And now we're going to make our way to the gym. Alright, so this is our typical walk down to the pier, which is probably the coolest spot in Lima. You can see we got our hats on because, well, there's strong UVs here, even though it's kind of cloudy today, which Lima is a very cloudy place, except in the summer. It's really easy to get burned and not realize. So, hats, Megan's got her really protective hat on.
I mean business.
I make fun of her for it all the time, but it's actually really functional, so.
My UV jacket.
Yeah. I'm not as careful as she is, but I put on sunblock every day. So we're walking over, we're heading to the gym, and we're staying in Miraflores, which is a really cool spot. Lots of nightlife, lots of things to do, lots of food. But one of the coolest things is while we're here, we signed up for the gym. And the gym is on the pier, on the coast. And the coast of Lima is beautiful. So we're almost there, we're gonna show you guys. Part of the reason we really love this walk is just everyone's really active, everyone's having a good time. They're all up early in the morning, they're working out, they're walking, they're running, they're riding bikes, they're riding scooters, and there are dogs everywhere. And so check this out, right across from us on our way there. There's a workout class going on. There's lots of these happening all over the parks, the piers is what you call them, and there's multiple parks. Lots of happy dogs.
Happiest dogs I've ever seen. People really take care of their dogs here.
There's also multiple paths that walk down the cliffs, down to the beach, which is really cool because people love to surf here too. This place is normally really packed every night because it lights up and it's really cool. It's the China Park at Parque Chino. We're here getting a quick coffee at French Kiss, Beso Frances. Really cool spot. There's a lot of these along the pier, and you can really just sit down, relax, get something to eat or drink, and enjoy a view of the coast. Man, look at the statue. These guys are super into it. Just making out. Hardcore.
In public.
In public. All right, so all the walls around the Love Park have really passionate writing and poetry all throughout, so let's read one of them. The presence of your eyes impeded the moonlight getting to us. I mean, that's deep, all right? It's deep and passionate, so if you tell someone that, they'll probably make out with you like these statues. So in the distance is the mall that's built into a cliff. It's called Larcomar, and that's where our gym is. So when we go to the gym, we get these awesome views of the ocean. It's just really nice. Get to work out. If we get there early enough, it's not as busy. And yeah, let's check it out. So we got a good workout in at the gym, and now we're going to do our walk back and get some breakfast. Alright, so this right here is called a surtido. It's basically a mix of the fruit they have for the day. Peru in general has really great juicy fruits and lots of fruits that you don't even see in the US.
And so now this little tasty delicacy here is one of the most popular desserts in all of Peru, and it is called an alfajor. It's like a sugar cookie. It's like soft that melts in your mouth with some like dulce de leche, just like this like sweet. It's like caramel, but not. All of this with the 2 meals, with the juices, the coffee, and the cookie for $13.65.
Alright, so now we're gonna head back to the room and take a shower and get ready and show you guys the Airbnb we're staying at too.
This is our Airbnb in Miraflores. It's $33 a night. Pretty modern. Over here you have our living room area. Slash YouTube studio.
Yeah. Well, as you can see, the YouTube studio is kind of all over the place, but we tried to organize it so you guys get a good feel for the space.
It's a little kitchenette area, granite countertops, a little mini fridge, and a stovetop. Got a coffee maker. It's our workspace. Bed. And our bathroom. Our outdoor patio area is for $33 a night. It's a nice little space.
Alright, so one thing about getting a good deal in Lima Peru, again, staying in Miraflores, which is a awesome area, lots of activities. We're only like 2 blocks away from the coast. But as you notice, I focused on the little fan for a reason. We don't have AC in here, and it's not, the price point makes a difference, but people in Lima are not used to using AC as much. You're gonna sweat a little bit. So if you wanted to increase your price point a little bit, you could look for AC. Megan's actually gonna stay here and get some work done, and I am in need of a haircut. So good time to show you guys what it's like to get a haircut here in Lima and see the cost. Looking good. Buenas. ¿Cuánto está el pepino?
10. Papaya 6 soles.
¿Cuánto está?
6.50.
Allá. Just got some stuff that we needed. Really cheap if you guys shop at the little markets, little bakeries, stuff like that. The place we went for breakfast is a little bit on the pricier side, even though it's still really affordable by Western standards. But just so you guys know, you can do it a lot cheaper if you want. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Now it's time to get to work. Alright, so we just got a little bit of work done, and it is about 3 to 4 o'clock is about when we get some lunch if we're in the mood. So we're gonna go get a real Peruvian dish. So Peru is known for its seafood, and we are at a really good seafood restaurant. It's very affordable. It's called Puerto Marisco, and one of our favorite spots. They serve you really well. So normally we split one of Megan's favorite dishes here. What's it called?
Pescado al macho.
Yeah. So it's grilled fish with rice, I think with yuca as well, potato, octopus, and it's covered in this amazing sauce. So we're going to show you guys that, and we're also going to drink the popular Peruvian drink here that's made out of purple corn, chicha.
I'm so excited. This is my favorite dish. So good.
Peruvian cuisine is some of the best in the world. And chicha, which again is made from purple corn, which is kind of weird, but it tastes really good, and it's actually good for you. It's got a lot of antioxidants, so really popular drink. Make sure you try it when you're here. So we just finished lunch, and that was 61 soles, which comes out to about $16 for the 2 chichas and one of the famous dishes there. At this point it's around 3:30, and we are heading back to keep working. We're back at our Airbnb, and we are going to get some more work done, and then we're going to show you something really cool that we get to do almost every day here. Every night, if possible, we like to come out and check out the sunset at the pier, at the Malecon, which is what a lot of other people do. So you'll see around us, there's just everyone waiting for the sunset. It's a bit cloudy tonight, so we're hoping to get a really nice one. We'll definitely see some cool colors though. So here's a glimpse of what digital nomading in Lima, Peru is like. We're gonna probably head back, relax, maybe have a glass of wine. I might play some Switch, or we might watch some Netflix, so catch you guys on the next one.